Welcome to the world of SuiteScript. Think of it as NetSuite's secret sauce for customization. With JavaScript as its backbone, it lets us automate tasks and tailor workflows. Developers love it because it makes NetSuite work exactly how they want. And trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. SuiteScript is like the Swiss Army knife of NetSuite. It does everything, from automating tasks to customizing workflows. It's the magic behind making NetSuite work smarter. Businesses love it because it saves time, and developers love it because it gives them control. So, if you want NetSuite to dance to your tune, SuiteScript is the way to go. SuiteScript comes in different flavors, each with its own superpower. Client scripts make the UI smoother. User event scripts react to record changes. Scheduled scripts handle repetitive tasks. And RESTlets connect NetSuite to the outside world. It's like assembling a superhero team. Each script has a special role in making NetSuite awesome. SuiteScript APIs are the gateway to NetSuite's data. Want to fetch records? Use search APIs. Need to handle transactions? There's an API for that too. It's like having a remote control for NetSuite. You press the right buttons, and magic happens. Mastering these APIs is the key to becoming a SuiteScript pro. Deploying a script is like setting up a rocket launch. You need the right settings for a smooth takeoff. Whether it runs on a record, a scheduled event, or a user action, deployment settings matter. And don't forget execution context. It's the difference between a smooth ride and a bumpy one. Script parameters are like seasoning in a recipe. They let you tweak things to perfection. Instead of hard-coding values, we use parameters to make scripts flexible and reusable. It's all about making life easier for developers and ensuring scripts adapt to different scenarios effortlessly. Debugging is like detective work. You follow the clues logs, use the right tools, and catch the culprit bugs. Error handling keeps scripts running smoothly, and thorough testing ensures they don't break at the worst possible moment. So embrace debugging. It's what makes good developers great. SuiteScript 2.0 is the cool new kid on the block, modular, efficient, and packed with features. SuiteScript 1.0 is simpler but a bit old school. If you want better performance and flexibility, 2.0 is the way to go. But hey, sometimes old school works too. It's all about picking the right tool for the job. Script governance is like a speed limit. It keeps things running efficiently without crashing the system. Writing optimized code, using batch processing, and following best practices makes scripts perform like a well-oiled machine. So keep an eye on those limits and code smart. Interacting with NetSuite records is like talking to a database. It listens if you use the right language. Record APIs let you create, update, and delete data, while search APIs help find exactly what you need. Use them wisely, and NetSuite will be your best friend. Custom interfaces aren't just about looking good. They are about working smart. SuiteScript lets us craft forms, views, and interactions that make users think, wow, this feels seamless. We explore dynamic UI elements, scripting efficiency, and performance tweaks so that your application doesn't just function. It thrives. And hey, users should never feel like they're solving a puzzle just to submit a form. Errors, the uninvited guests in our code. But fear not. SuiteScript has tools to keep them in check. We explore error handling methods, proper logging, and debugging techniques that keep things running smoothly. A well-placed log message is like a friendly note saying, hey, I've got your back. Plus, catching issues early means less panicked midnight coding sessions. Who doesn't love a little automation magic? Imagine SuiteScripts working behind the scenes, handling tedious admin tasks while you enjoy a coffee. With scheduled scripts, We streamline workflows, optimize accuracy, and remove manual bottlenecks. Just set it, forget it, and let the scripts do the heavy lifting. Ever wished for a smooth handshake between your system and third-party apps? SuiteScript makes integrations effortless. We discuss API connections, security considerations, and data flow to ensure your application communicates like a pro. Because when systems talk to each other seamlessly, that's when the real magic happens. Security is like locking your front door. You wouldn't leave it wide open, right? SuiteScript comes with best practices to safeguard data, prevent unauthorized access, and eliminate vulnerabilities. From access controls to secure coding techniques, we'll cover how to keep your scripts safe and sound. No hacker welcome signs here. SuiteScript isn't just theory. It's the backbone of countless real-world applications. From inventory automation to streamlined order processing, the possibilities are endless. We'll dive into practical scenarios where SuiteScript shines, making business operations smoother, faster, and, let's be honest, a whole lot cooler. SuiteScript isn't stuck in the past. It's evolving. We look at emerging features, AI possibilities, and development enhancements that make scripting easier and more powerful. The future is bright, and SuiteScript is ready to step up its game. We've covered a lot, but the journey doesn't stop here. SuiteScript mastery takes continuous learning. From best practices to staying updated with the latest advancements, your SuiteScript skills will only get stronger. Keep exploring, keep scripting, and most importantly, keep having fun with it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.